Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Hymer Grand Canyon S700 4x4 camper van. Whether you're a seasoned overlander or a weekend explorer, this van is designed to elevate your adventures with a blend of rugged performance, smart technology, and luxurious comfort. At the heart of the Grand Canyon S700 is the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 417 CDI chassis, offering a robust 170 horsepower engine. For those seeking more power, an optional upgrade to the 419 CDI provides 190 horsepower. The van comes standard with rear-wheel drive, but an all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced off-road capabilities. The 9G-tronic automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, making long drives more comfortable. The van's dimensions are thoughtfully designed for both maneuverability and interior space. Measuring 697 centimeters in length, 206 centimeters in width, and 276 centimeters in height, it offers a spacious interior without compromising on drivability. The standing height inside is 192 centimeters, providing ample headroom for most occupants. One of the standout features is the Hymer Smart Battery System 2.0, which includes 380 amp-hour lithium batteries. This system, combined with two 95-watt solar panels, allows for extended off-grid stays. The 90-liter compressor fridge operates efficiently on 12 volts, ensuring your food stays fresh without draining the batteries. Additionally, the 100-liter fresh water tank and 85-liter wastewater tank support longer journeys without the need for frequent stops. Comfort is paramount in the Grand Canyon S700. The interior boasts the exclusive ivy green finish, creating a cozy and homely atmosphere. The nearly 2-meter-long longitudinal single beds feature the innovative Lataflex comfort sleeping system, ensuring restful nights after active days. The fully equipped swivel bathroom, complete with a premium folding wash basin, makes efficient use of space while maintaining a stylish design. For those who enjoy cooking on the road, the kitchen area includes a 2-burner gas hob, a sink with hot and cold water, and deep drawers with premium pullouts. The expandable kitchen worktop provides additional space for meal preparation. Driving the Grand Canyon S700 is a pleasure, thanks to a suite of advanced features. The 10.25-inch MBUX multimedia system offers navigation and smartphone integration, while safety is enhanced with active distance assist, Distronic Plus, blind spot assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The van also includes semi-automatic climate control, heated seats, and a multifunctional steering wheel for added convenience. The exterior is equally impressive, with options like a pop-top roof for additional sleeping space and an awning with dimmable LED lighting. The metallic Tenorite gray finish gives the van a sleek and modern look, while features like the electric off-road step and engine underride protection underscore its readiness for adventure. As for performance, while specific speed test data isn't available, the combination of a powerful engine, all-wheel drive, and advanced suspension ensures the van handles well both on highways and off-road trails. The 93-liter fuel tank provides a generous range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. Pricing for the 2025 Hymer Grand Canyon S700 starts at approximately €101,500, with various packages and options available to customize the van to your preferences. It's available for order now, with deliveries expected to begin in the coming months. In summary, the 2025 Hymer Grand Canyon S700 4x4 camper van is a well-rounded vehicle that combines performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway, this van is equipped to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you love in-depth vehicle reviews and the latest in automotive adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss a ride.